Hey friends, just want to share we are behind Pipe Cay, and it's not for the weak-hearted here, not for the soft skipper. You got to get this one done like a boss. You know, I don't normally over-dramatize anything. I usually add humor and lighten it up a bit, but for real, this one is a 9 out of 10 for difficulty levels. Got a current running one way pretty hard and wind blowing the other, and there's just no room to make a mistake, or else you're part of the island back there, which we probably have 70 feet to spare, but just sandbars and crazy small cuts. So anyway, I got us in here, and we're gonna go explore with the dinghy, and I love this water. It is just pristine. So this is Over Yonder Cay. I'll welcome you to investigate that. It has a pretty exclusive clientele for this facility on shore. It has 4 villas, and you can rent them for $350,000 a week for 12 people. So that is definitely an exclusive clientele. Of course, you could bring your yacht up to 200 feet and bring it in the marina. And another neat thing about it is they are self-contained for power. You got 3 wind generators and about an acre of solar panels on this 72-acre island. So pretty neat. The other nice thing to say about this island, you have a good view of Zoya sitting up the channel there. So they can look at our sailboat all day long. Very cool. All right, well, we are going to move around the island and see what else we can find. Yeah, some species of cactuses here. Look at the mangroves. Yeah, the little crane was in there. Driving around, we found this really cool spot here. We have a little deep pool of water over that ridge there between the 2 islands. It's like sapphire blue, or I guess as Lena kind of reminds me once in a while, it looks like gin. Yeah, Bahamas is a pretty amazing place. I don't expect this in the rest of the Caribbean, but it's really neat to experience it. I thought that wooden door would be a sign or a plaque, but actually it's just an access to the inside, I guess, to maintain the light. But yeah, there we go. It's another little cool island out there on the bank side. It's pretty freaking deep here, though.
It was a fish jumping out of the water, facing another one.
Wow, look at all the little tiny conchs in the water here. It's kind of unusual. I've never seen that before, where there's so many little baby conchs. But another fun thing is Lena spied this little swing. So how fun on this little beach. It says Life Pipe Cay. Nice. What do you think, Lena? Yeah, right out here in the middle of paradise, somebody constructed a nice little swing. Yeah, loving that shoreline over there. Of course, we're in the cut here going out to the ocean. The outgoing tide's taking us to sea. So I'm going to have to motor back in soon. But yeah, Lena's a little nervous about going to the ocean in our dink. Yeah, rubber dinghy, and I see breaking waves out there. So, all right, let me get this fired up and get back in there before we get in trouble. Alright guys, just a little bit more filming for you. It is a little crazy out here in this little rubber boat, but I'm hoping you guys can see this. Just nature on its own is just a remarkable thing, right? So the camera can catch some of it. It's just really pretty breathtaking right here. An art piece in progress. Got some dark patches of grass underneath us, and it looks super healthy. So glad to see that. I feel so fortunate to be able to experience this part of the Bahamas with Lena. Something I always dreamed and hoped it was still here when we would get here, and this little corner is exactly what I was looking for. So enjoyable.